Hi, Megan. Angela told me to send over this screencast over to you. My name's Corey, by the way. Real quick, I'm just going to shoot over three free tips on how to actually get more quality traffic to your website, those quality customers as well. I'm just looking over your website real quick. The three things I'm actually going to go over is content, citations, and backlinks. Really looking at your website, bringing your content count up to about really 1,500 to 2,000 words, being really authoric in what you do and how you do it. Plus, you need enough content in there so that way you can layer keywords, words you're actually trying to be found for, and what people are actually searching for. Even all these little images, what they're saved as, it all matters. It's Google sees that. You got maintenance back there. You can actually switch that out, be a little bit more specific with the keywords that you're actually using. That's just going to help with your rankings. Now, if I go inside of a Google here and type in AC Repair Naples FL, this is what you're going to see. You got these Google guarantees here, which are brand new to Google. They came up with these to help weave out some of those spammy phone calls from those old school ads, which they push those old school ads at the bottom here. So these Google guarantees are just another form paid of advertisements. I've seen these ads anywhere from $30 to $140 a click, really. So imagine, click here, click there, for $130 a piece. They do get pricey at the end of the day. Anyway, so I don't know if you're doing ads. I'll see here in a minute. Underneath the ads section, we have this little map here. This map section, to get the rankings here, is going to be dealing with what's called a citation. What a citation is just a online business directory with your business name, address, and phone number listed on it. So really what we'd want to do is go get those same citations that your competition has. We obviously don't want to stop there. We want to go out there and get a lot more as well, so that way we're always outranking the competition. Underneath that little map section, we have all the organic rankings. This is the first page of Google. This is with all that authoric content. What you do and how you do it, it matters. What's being written on there. Also being found for those keywords, but last but not least, what comes down to what's called a backlink. What a backlink is, it's a link from a website linking back to your website that's just really pushing power back to it. Now, not all backlinks actually created equal. If I take your URL here and actually stick it inside of Ahrefs, Ahrefs is a tool that lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. So it looks like you got a 93 referring domains, which is pushing back 523 referring backlinks. This looks like historically you've had almost 3,000 backlinks. Backlinks come and go. You started this journey back in 2013 or so, and you had to climb from there. You're being tracked for 871 keywords, and in total, you're getting 213 clicks to your website every month. And we can actually see where these websites are actually coming from. But actually, before we do that, hang on one second. This PPC stands for pay per click, so it doesn't look like you're doing any ads, but I don't know if you're doing any TV or radio, because I know those get pretty pricey as well. But we can see where those 213 clicks are coming from, so you can actually track your ROI. Sorry, I had a cord underneath there that was bugging me. So this is what you're being found for your website. AHU, whatever that means. HVAC power, there's 50 clicks there. Humidity in Florida. There's 800 clicks for humidity in Florida. Your 13th position with that one. Water source, heat pump definition. Summer pump. We can go to the second page. How much electricity, gas, furnace use? There's 200 clicks for that keyword. I was just looking for more of those buyer's intent keywords there. Let me show you one of your competitors here. This is Speedy Air Conditioning. I'm just going to jump straight into their keywords. So these are all the keywords here, the amount of volume per keyword, and also the amount of clicks they're actually getting from those keywords because of the position that they're ranking with, if that all made sense. So, giving you a quick example, AC Repair Naples FL, there's 200 clicks every month with that one keyword. AC Repair Naples, there's another 300 clicks every single month. So there's 300, there's 500 clicks every month, and they're getting 87 plus 28. So they're getting a decent amount of traffic just from those two keywords because they're second position with those keywords. There's 50 clicks with AC Repair Naples FL. They're getting 20 clicks, their first position. 20 clicks out of 50 is actually a great a position with only being 50 of them there. So really going through these keywords and figuring out what you want to rank for, this is where you're going to get that quality traffic with those keywords. Anyway, if you see any value in anything that I went over, I'd love to put a free custom game plan together for you, or at least apply these 3 free tips for yourself. Also, if you want to leave a review, that'd be great as well. Have a great day. Bye.